Okay guys, Pooja here. We're out behind my house in the field of bad luck. I say that because I don't normally have very good luck with airplanes. And oh, shoot, now I gotta check my camera again because I hit you. Let's see if we're lined up. Yeah, we are. Okay, still going. I never had good luck with flying in this field for some reason. I don't always pick the best days, and it's hard to land here, especially when the grass gets really tall. I have to land on the road, and the road is downhill, so I have to land, and then it's going to roll on its own gravity wise. And I have to kind of turn off just to keep from... Throttle cut on. I have to turn off to keep from rolling down into the road. I'm going to change my timer a little bit because I've been sitting here with power on, messing with things. Alright, we'll see how well this works. Hopefully I can land this thing. This dirt on the road is nice and soft and smooth, but I just have to make sure that I land on it properly. Well, let's see what happens. Get the camera down so you can see it. There we go. First things first, I put the aircraft holder right there, kind of pointing in this direction, so it shows the direction of landing that I need if I come down over this field. I think that's what we'll try to do. All right. Here we go. Get her up. Is that a 3,000 milliamp battery? She's got plenty of power, I'll tell you that. I haven't flown this in a while either. I took a little bit of the flat mixing out. I'm just making a blanket approach here. Terrible. Not sure why she's flying tail heavy. I don't think anything shifted. Maybe I'm going to put a little bit more of that trim back in there that I took out. Let's see if we can put some more of that elevator flat mixing in there. I definitely need it on. Yeah, she's a little better there. Nope, still has it. Oh, that's much better.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
And try a landing.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Take off flaps. Landing flaps. Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps.
That's kind of what I wanted. Yep, kind of what I wanted.
Throttle cut on. Motors armed.
Alrighty, let's do this again. Okay, she looks pretty good. Alright, well guys, it was a success. I didn't land too hard at all. I was able to sneak it around that, coming down the hill and around that holder. Make some fairly okay landings. A couple went longer than I really wanted to, but I was running out of time, so I had to force them. You see the wheels, they're kind of sloppy on the wheels. They're old. This thing's a couple years old, so it's doing fine. Gonna kill the but I think we'll be all right. This thing will work just fine. And the trims look pretty good. Some small adjustments. There's still a little bit of roll tendency. You know, you can see the horizontal stabs just slightly tweaked to the left there. Not a lot, which makes the rudder slightly tweaked to the left, which gives it that tendency to want to go right. I straightened out most of it with the repair. I put a big block of foam in here where this crease was. It's no longer a crease. So most of that tweak is taken out. It's just a little bit left. Might be able to correct that another way, but it seems to be going good now. If you see my trims, they're not terribly outrageous for the roll and the rudder, so I think we're going to be okay. The Eagle Tree Guardian worked fine. Safe mode worked fine. I didn't really announce when I was doing it, but you might have heard